zavila, jedre zavila, voljeli se. Opa, pa vi ste tu, pa dobrodošli. Pa ovako, u današnjem videu snimamo probaj da se ne nasmiješ ili try not to laugh. Ovo je video, mislim, broj 3. Da, je broj 3. I kao i u svakom videu, mislim da se neću nasmijati, ali nebitno. Stvar je ovaka. Sad ćemo gledati neke neugodne situacije. Znači, neke cringe situacije, neće biti ono standardno smiješno, nego više ono neugodno. Ali jebi ga, meni je to više smiješnije, tako da pokušat ću na to da se nasmijem. Ako se ne nasmijem, nastavljamo kolekciju videa i šta ja znam, moram se kad tad nasmijati. Uglavnom, krenimo.
A, vi ste tu. Šta čekamo? Krenimo.
Oi, ik ben Maarten.
Nou, dankjewel Maarten.
Dankjewel.
I think I am definitely more confident this time because I've already had that first kiss out of the way. I think my strategy is just go for the kiss. Maybe I'll be able to like slip tongue, and then from there things take off, and who knows, maybe she's my first girlfriend. Hello.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Emily.
I'm Josh.
Hi.
Koji creeper mrtvi, jebem ti dan.
Can I kiss you?
Sure.
Fuck ne. Fuck ne. Ne. Ne smijem se, ljudi.
Is that all?
Ovo je nogo.
Yes! That was awful. It turned into a high five and it just fell apart. I never want to do that again.
Latinos here in this country that do agree that the immigration problem is a problem and it does need to be addressed and it does need to be fixed.
Interesting.
But making those comments, those racist comments, do not help.
And if you kick every Latino out of this country, then who is going to be cleaning your toilet, Donald Trump?
Oh, that's no.
In the sense that, you know what I mean? Like, when I'm saying
There's more jobs to be.
in LA, they always...
But
they don't...
Latinos are not only the only people
I didn't mean it
doing
like that. Come on. No, I would never mean it like that.
Okay.
Like, I'm not part of this argument with...
I think what you're saying is that Trump himself
He needs to look at
probably relies on a lot of these people that he's insulting.
To dobro je rekla.
Hi.
Stibbs, what is your deck name?
It flies, you dies. So far, I'm only halfway there.
It depends on who the you is referring to.
These tales, we're back to school. Denim, haircut, backpacks, come get your backpack.
Boots and pants.
New shoes,
Get yourself an outfit.
Denim.
Boots and pants.
Haircut.
New shoes. So get yourself back to school with these tips.
Hello, Leanne. I was almost going to call you Lori. How could I miss? Oh, it's very easy. You're both very pretty. And you have green eyes. Are they? They're not blue. Now, don't tell me that. Look at me a little closer. They're green.
Pedel.
So I fooled you. I fooled you. You look like a young lady who likes to give lots of hugs and kisses out, do you? Hey? Hey?
Not really.
Not really. Not really. Can I have a hug and a kiss? I can't have one? Even if I say and whisper in your ear that Allison, you're gonna win the show, I still can't have a hug and a kiss?
Melody in my head that I can't keep out, got me singing like na 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 every day's like my
So really what we're doing is John would like me to ask you whether he could make out with you.
Oh, that's a bit different to a kiss. Yeah. All right, let's get it over with.
No, stop. No, really. No, really. No.
You've got a problem with it.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. No, I think maybe just a smaller kiss.
Okay, that's a smaller kiss.
Yeah. How's that? Too much?
I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You always better like a boss.
Would get a picture of you, and then it would be posted all around, and it'll happen in your office.
Yeah, possibly.
You don't think so?
Well, it depends, you know.
Dina, I've got some time and a camera. Why don't you stop by? No. Okay. Do you think that with American Idol, this is really... High five, people! Woo!
Next up, former flame, Saskia Moore.
Okay, all right. Maybe we should get a bit closer together.
Oh, no, I didn't... Could you just shut up?
Okay.
I'm not looking.
I'm just so distracted
Oh,
by
okay,
Saskia.
okay. Do you want to sit on this side?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, it sounds
wrong. Ja ne znam što američka televizija prenosi ovaka sranja, onak koji kurac. Prvo nam mrtva pedofilija, sad mrtvi nemoral. I sad još po treće pederluk. Pa vem ti mater.
You ugly. You your daddy's son.
What you do right now? I'm a part-time model, so I just part-time just to get me out there. I'm always
looking good. Look at his cheekbones, man.
People may say, "Oh, you look like a pop star," but I'm not your average pop star, and I bring something different to the table.
Ako si ti model, onda sam ja top model ovdje.
On that room, so when I leave, they're going to be talking about me. Who was that guy? Oh, J-Star. I think I could be the next big thing.
And when did you start in music?
I was like 16, I started doing gigs.
And do you think you can win?
I'm sure.
Come on, let's do this.
I'm sure.
Okay, what are you going to sing for us?
My own version of Alexander Burke, Hallelujah.
Oh, great. Okay, good luck.
Ne, nemoj. Teška je to pjesma za tvoj mal mozak.
Got a good voice. Is it all easy to package? Very powerful. Interesting.
Major the Bafukir, composing Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke a foam and she cut your hair. I'm froze. It's not so one. You see the light. It's so cold. It's so broken. Hallelujah. Yeah. Hallelujah.
Koji mrtvi retar, ja mogu vjerovat.
because we're going to have a lot of jobs from building infrastructure to coding, creating new apps. I don't know who created Pokemon Go, but I'm trying to figure out how we get them to have Pokemon go to the polls.
Next up, Noah Ehrlich.
Opet ovaj lik. Ne mogu ovo gledati. Bolesno. Isus. Ti mentoli vlast.
Good evening, ladies. How are you feeling today? Are you all right? Yes. No, you are all left.
Najjoš brži ispad ikad. Najbrži.
I heard that life gets hard when you're older.
Ne. I ne. Idemo na pravo naše bratsko-slavinsko. Idemo. Ovo zapravo nije Rus, nego je Ukrajina, koga znam. Ovo je zapovjednik, zaboravio sam mu ime.
Уснул на рабочем месте. А этого делать нельзя. И нехорошо. К нему приехал внезапно.
Чего мы коротко сорвать.
Вытянуть.
Не может.
Опачки.
О, блядь. Заяц.
Иди мыть.
О, блядь.
Малых ногу, блядь.
За гвоздь.
Помимо того, что этот так супер маневренный, преодолевает самые различные преграды, он умеет даже плавать под водой, но еще он умеет...
Три полоски. Адидас кроссовки. Три полоски. Три полоски. На штанах полоски. Три почетных соски.
Hejteri će reći da je fake.
Сука, блядь!
Eto, pogledali smo 2 videa i još se nisam nasmijao. Ne znam, ovo mi uopće nije smiješno.
I evo me ljudi nazad nakon pogledanih videa i opet, kao i u zadnjim izazovima, pobjedio sam, nisam se nasmijao. Mada ide mi to već malo na živce, pošto nije mi uopće smiješno. Stoga vas molim, ako imate neki video, bilo šta, znači nebitno kakav, koji je dostupan na YouTube, naravno, da mi date link u komentaru ili prijedlog u live chatu kad budem streamao. Možda budem danas streamao. Stoga, ne znam, meni ovo više nije smiješno i ja imam talent za ovakve stvari, ne znam. Stvarno je. Uglavnom, eto ljudi, to bi bilo to do ovog videa. Nadam se da vam je se video svidio. A ako mi se svidio, opalite like, subscribeujte se i šerujte video. A do tada, lijep pozdrav.